I'm Hardy Spence, and we are big on rotational molding at Ash Industries. Rotational molding is unique in that it can make hollow things, such as this float, or a canoe, a kayak, a part of a drone, that fancy cooler that you see in the store that you can't afford. But can I talk about foaming?
Absolutely.
Okay. Foaming rotational molded parts can add a capability to your component that you may not have considered. Sure, people may know that those fancy coolers are foamed and they offer a lot of insulation, but foaming can also prevent water from infiltrating a part. In the case of this float, this must remain out in salt water for a long period of time. Additionally, foaming can also add compression strength. In one case, a customer needed a unique rotational molded part that would be under extreme load. We added 1,400 pounds of compression strength per square inch in their part and turned a part that was not useful into a part that was ideal for their situation. And in Ash Industries, we have the engineering know-how in order to help you find the ideal foam for the ideal rotational molding component.
Please support us so we can make more videos to support American manufacturing. Smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks.